All right guys, Thomas is currently on vacation, so I'm stepping in to keep the Sunday slider project going. There's still some routine maintenance and supporting mods that need to be done before we actually install the supercharger kit. So today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on the car, which a lot of people find to be difficult, but God bless me with these skinny hands. So I'm actually going to show you how to do that without having to unbolt the engine and lift it up. We're going to be starting on the passenger side first. It is the easier of the two. We need to remove the ECU and move it back here. It's just held in with three 10mm bolts, one up top, one on the side here, and then one on the very bottom. Once you have the ECU unbolted, you just want to slide it back here and keep it next to the battery. Now that's going to give us access to these two coil packs that are held in with one 10mm bolt each, so go ahead and remove those. Once those are removed, we can pull the coil pack in the front of the engine out first. And then we're going to set that back by the battery. And then we're going to slightly pull out the one in the back, but I found it easiest to unplug it once you have it pulled out slightly. And that makes it a little bit easier to remove. So now we can actually remove these spark plugs. What you'll need is a 3/8 14mm deep well socket. Make sure it's not a spark plug socket. We don't want the spark plug to actually get stuck in there in the socket. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to remove it. And you need a 3-inch extension and a ratchet. So go ahead and insert the socket into the spark plug hole first, and then follow up with the extension and get that locked into place. And then we can put the ratchet on there. Now we need to take that extension off of the ratchet. Make sure that spark plug is fully unthreaded. And now we need to uninstall the extension from the socket to remove the extension out of the way. And I'm going to use a bendable magnet here to remove the socket, and then we can remove the spark plug with it as well. That's one down. Same thing on the one on the back side, except this one's going to be a little bit tighter. Socket in first, and the extension, and the ratchet. Oopsie. Once you have both those out, you can install your new spark plugs, basically doing the reverse process. And the torque spec on these is 12.5 foot-pounds. Driver's side is basically the exact same thing, but instead of removing the ECU, you need to remove the fuel rail cover, which I believe is held in with two 14mm bolts, and then you have access to the coil packs and the spark plugs. The change interval for these is 60,000 miles, so if you need to pick up a set for yourself, I will leave a link down in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video, I think.